Hey guys, you're watching iGyaan and today we're checking out Dyson's Hot+Cool air purifying fan. So let's quickly get started. Now, living in India, you don't really need to know the benefits of an air purifier, especially if you live in main cities like New Delhi or Mumbai. In the recent years, Delhi has seen some of the highest levels of air quality pollution, and only in the lockdown did we see the lowest ever levels of pollution. However, since the lockdown has been eased out and things are starting to return to normal, the air quality index has jumped again and we're already seeing high levels of pollution in the city. Now, this is where air purifiers come in, and Dyson's Hot+Cool air purifier is one such product. Typically designed like Dyson's bladeless fan, this also doubles up as an air purifier and also triples up as a air heater for winter months. Now, a lot of people don't really know this, but apart from the outdoor air pollution, things that are inside your house can also release gases as well as pollution that you could be breathing in. So if you keep your doors and windows closed, things like formaldehyde can form up in your house. Now, typically to resolve this, people would have ventilation, but that would only work if the air quality outside was better than the air quality inside. Now, Dyson's air purifier is a fantastic product. It's one of the smartest air purifiers that you can get in the market today. There are a whole set of sensors on this product that automatically detect the level of air pollution in your room, wherever you place it, and then automatically start working towards filtering it out. It comes with a 360-degree filter, so it closes in from both sides, and you also get a carbon activated filter that will remove odor and all kinds of smells. Now, typically in India, air quality is not taken extremely seriously. As an example, in Thailand, when the air quality reached 163, schools were shut down and people were asked to stay at home. But in New Delhi, for example, air quality averages between 300 and 500 on normal days. And during Diwali time and in winter, it reaches up to 800 and 900, sometimes even crossing 1000 on the air quality index. And nothing stops here. So you really need to take your air quality seriously, and you need to deal with pollution, and especially if you're staying in a city, this is a serious matter, whatever air purifier you may buy. Now, once you attach it, the bladeless technology will sort of suck in air from the bottom area of the fan and then throw it out from the top part of the fan. Now, here's an interesting thing. Typical air purifiers have a vertical air projection, so they suck in air from the bottom and then just release it from the top. In Dyson's format, what it does is it sucks in air from the bottom but projects it out from the front. So this does have better coverage in a room, especially if you don't have things like fans or air conditioners turned on. So if you're living in, for example, a winter month where you don't have your fan turned on, this will turn out to be a better product, especially because it will have your air circulating in the entire room much better than a traditional air purifier. Now, the Dyson Hot+Cool air purifier comes with a total of 3 sensors. One of them is the particulate sensor, which can measure particles as small as 0.3 microns and above. This also includes pollen and allergens. And then it also has a VOC sensor, which detects volatile organic compounds, things like formaldehyde and household odors, including any kind of smoke or any kind of organic gases that may be in your house. And the third sensor is the humidity and temperature sensor, which will work for heat and cool applications, and it will automatically increase or decrease the speed of the fan if you leave it on auto mode. You can also connect this to your phone app and then control everything from the app on your smartphone. It connects over Wi-Fi, so you can also manually enable the fan if you leave it off. So if you're coming to work and you have the Dyson air purifier at work, you can turn it on before reaching work, and then if you forget to turn it off, you can use the app to turn it off after you've left work. This also works for the heating application, so if you want your room heated up before you reach work, you can do that as well. Another cool feature is that you can also direct which direction the air is going in. Apart from the fact that it does have a 350-degree auto oscillating option, you can also direct the air in a backward throw. So if you're in winter months and you don't want air being thrown at you and you're not using the heat function, you can have the air being thrown out from the backside in a more dispersed fashion instead of a projectile fashion, so you don't feel the air sort of hitting you in the winter months when you're just using it for purification. Now, let's talk about design. As far as design is concerned, Dyson products one of the nicest looking, and this fan is no exception. It has a really nice aesthetic and will go with any kind of design or decor that you may have in your house or your office. The good thing about the fan is that it offers up 3 features. So you might typically buy an air purifier, you might typically buy a fan and then a heater. So this does offer up all 3 of those in a single package, and that too with smart sensors, so you can control everything from your smartphone. All in all, a pretty interesting product. It is on the pricey side. I'll leave links to buying it and checking it out in the description below. But if you're in the market for something like this will definitely solve all your needs and do that in a nice little package. Go check this out. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.